the lesson objective and the all, most and some learning outcomes. So here in this slide, I personally prefer that every slide, the side portion is basically covered with my all, most and some. So that during the lesson, if I want to refer that at which stage of the lesson we are, or how many are able to achieve the all standards, how many have able to got the most level questions, I can refer to that, okay? Instead of going back to this slide, okay, it takes time, right? So I keep the all, most and some at one end of the slide, one side of the slide, okay? And then I project the lesson or learning objective, right? And the challenge question. I suggest you use the animation, because if you use the animation, you can actually have a discussion. What do you think the lesson is going to be? Okay, make them talk. And then use the animation to display this is the lesson objective. Okay, so animation actually helps you to create curiosity, to fill that gap, to have a little discussion about a topic and then display the answers, okay, or the question, right? Remember here, when we talk about the all part, this means that majority of the students are supposed to get this by the end of the lesson, okay? When we talk about the the all part is basically all the students are supposed to know the all question or the all success criteria by the end of the lesson. Most is basically the majority of the students should be able to get this task when we talk about the most one. When I say majority, the number goes as 75%. So if your demo lesson has a strength of about 20 students, 75% will be around 14-15. So make sure when you're doing the most, which is the we do, 15 students out of 20 should be able to get the answer for this, okay? And the sum is basically the challenge task. This is basically for the high achievers, right? Okay, so those 5-6 students in your class should be able to do the or attempt the sum, right? Okay, then the whole point of this slide is you are making it very evident and visible to the panel that your approach in a class is not one size fits the all. Because you have all, most and some, so it is showing that your approach is differentiation. You do consider that in a class, every student has a different level of understanding, right? So the differentiation box is ticked with this slide, okay?